Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I got this really light and fluffy wash and go. So I'm taking you through my whole shower routine, and I'm also going to show you guys how I get my hair shape. So this is my hair before. It's a little frizzy, but we're going to get it together. First thing I do is I saturate my hair with water before breaking it into sections. Then I break out my Aussie Moist. I really love this conditioner. I think it's because it contains aloe and jojoba oil, but I slather it on before breaking out my Denman brush to detangle. I start at the ends and then work my way up to the roots before finger detangling and twisting it out the way. So put on the conditioner, detangle, finger detangle, and then twist. And then I take out the twists and I rinse my hair, leaving the twists in so that I don't have to go in and detangle my hair again. And I'm sorry, can I just say how cute this bikini is? I actually got it from Moss in Malibu, who is sponsoring this video. It comes in this really nice reusable box, and the Palm Beach print is actually what's on the front because it's a reversible bikini. It has adjustable straps, so you can make it as tight as you want. I'm a B cup and I got a size small, and I'm wearing the Venice set, and it's just perfect for when I decide to go to the beach. Alright, back to this wash and go. So first thing I do is I unravel the twists, and I'm trying out this new line from Taliah Waajid, the Apple and Aloe line. So I unravel the twist, working with half a section. I saturate my hair with water before applying the Apple and Aloe Nutrition Leave-In Conditioner. I apply it to the roots, and then I apply it to the ends of my hair before working that into the section. And then I break out the Green Apple and Aloe Nutrition Curl Definer. It's like a really thick consistency, so when I went to apply it, it almost smoothed my hair and gave me the kind of definition that I would expect with a gel. So the Green Apple and Aloe line contains green apple, which has essential nutrients like fiber, proteins, and it has high antioxidant levels, which will help strengthen the hair. It has aloe, which is great for antiviral and antibacterial properties, and also silk protein, which makes your hair soft and lustrous, and then coconut oil, which we all know helps fight against dandruff and stimulates growth. And this line is 100% cruelty-free and 100% vegan. And I will put a link to these products in the description box. So now I'm going to show you guys my shaping process. I take off the nozzle for my diffuser and turn the dryer on low heat, and then I gently elongate my roots. I stretch the roots to kind of make my hair fall at the shape that I want, and just by the amount of effort that I'm using, I think it's time for me to get another style cut. I don't know, I actually have this whole process on my channel, so if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, feel free to do so. And if you guys are liking this video so far, just click the like button, leave a comment, and let me know. And here I'm just stretching out my bangs a little bit, and I absolutely loved it. I got great elongation, my curls came out so clumpy, and it dried really soft without any residue, and I have like almost no frizz. So I was really pleased with these results, and I honestly can't wait to let you guys know if this wash and go survives me going to the beach, because that's the ultimate test. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!